Good afternoon. It is 20th of March today. Those are a few bundles of rootstock which I received few weeks back from a nursery in Wales. Those bundles will be taking them out and putting them in individual pots, and they will go in my greenhouse. And as soon as the weather gets a bit warm, they will be grafted, and hopefully I'll do my best to make them ready for 1st of July 2018, when it is our open garden. All these apples, pears and plum rootstock, they will be grafted to boost the takings of Wellspring charity, a local charity in Stockport, so that those people who are interested in having a pear tree or plum tree or an apple with 4 or 5 different varieties on one tree, they can have it. Also, I have some other plants in my greenhouse which were grafted late last year before the winter came, and hopefully they will start growing as the weather gets a bit better. So there will be plenty of fruit trees and other plants on open garden on 1st of July 2018. Please save some time and do visit our open garden. Bring your family, bring all the children, and have a nice day. And there will be a lot for you people to see. Interesting and magical plants. Plants which include roses with 4, 5, 6 various varieties grafted onto them. You can see them in my garden. You can see the plums with 4, 5 different varieties on each tree. The same is with pear trees. Lot of pear trees with 6, 7, some have 8 varieties grafted into them, and you can easily recognize the difference. Also, there will be some magical apple trees which have 10, 15, 20, and one of them has 50 different varieties of apples on one tree. Have you ever seen anything like that? So please do come to visit and enjoy the open garden day on 1st of July 2018. Please do subscribe to my channel for all the latest updates. Thank you.